Hey, what's up you guys? It's Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a no-sew fabric bunny. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to draw and cut out a bunny template on a piece of paper, or you can print out a template of a bunny instead. I made my bunny to be about 11 inches tall and 5.5 inches wide. When you're done cutting out the template, you want to place the bunny template onto the back of the fabric and trace and cut out 2 bunnies. Or you can fold the fabric and cut out 2 bunnies at once. After you're done cutting out the bunnies, you want to lay down the bunnies with the back side of the fabric together. And if you want, you can lay the fabric onto scrap paper to prevent getting glue on your surface. Then you want to lift up the top bunny and take hot glue and put glue on a section of the edge of the bottom bunny. Then you want to lay the top bunny on top of the glue, and you want to carefully press the fabric together. You want to go all the way around the bunny, but make sure you leave an opening so you can stuff the bunny later. And make sure you're careful because the glue is hot. You can also sew the bunny instead of hot gluing it together. After you're done gluing the bunny together, you want to stuff the bunny with pillow stuffing. For the hard to reach places, you can use a pencil to push the stuffing into place. When you're done stuffing the bunny, you want to glue the bunny shut by putting glue on one side of the hole, and then you want to close the opening shut. And make sure you're careful again because the glue is hot. The last thing you can do is that you can tie a bow around the neck of the bunny with twine, or you can glue a bow next to the ear. An optional step you can do is that you can glue a button on the middle of the bow with hot glue. And that's how you make a fabric bunny. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!